Welcome to Mount Lemmon, Arizona, where the skies meet the heavens. Located just north of Tucson, Arizona, Mount Lemmon stands tall at 9,157 feet above sea level, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Named after Sarah Plummer Lemmon, a botanist who first ascended the mountain in 1881. Mount Lemmon has become a haven for nature lovers, photographers, and adventure seekers. At 7,000 feet above sea level, where we are now, the air is crisp and the atmosphere is serene. Capturing sunrise at this elevation is a truly unique experience. The higher altitude offers a clearer view of the horizon, allowing us to witness the sun's ascent in all its glory. As the sun rises, the sky transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the surrounding mountains and valleys with hues of pink, orange, and purple. The gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of the pine trees, immersing us in the tranquility of nature. Watching sunrise at Mount Lemmon is not just about witnessing a natural phenomena. It's about experiencing the awe-inspiring beauty of the Arizona landscape. It's a reminder of the magic that awaits us at the dawn of each new day. So sit back, relax, and let the majesty of Mount Lemmon sunrise captivate your senses.